Kave aam mujha se judara There is no pen. This is
very
strong.
weak. One side pen. Dá um de lado assim. Very hot.
And where you come?
I don't know. Check.
What means rain?
What?
Rain.
What? Saying today overcast and tomorrow rain, or maybe today.
Good evening.
Overcast. Here saying not today. Today just cloudy.
What time?
No, saying actually whole day cloudy. Different times more, but tomorrow is saying 50% chance of raining.
It was a rain.
Yeah, tomorrow, like noon time.
Não, vai pegar. Pode virar.
Daí pra boxa. Daquela pontinha que você... Pode puxar.
O Mike tá desse lado.
Atenção, mano. Tá tudo embolado.
Ah, ela com o ventilador daquele lado.
É, põe desse lado aqui, então.
Talvez
Que
põe
tá
naquela
muito,
extensão, naquela tomada lá, ó.
Deixa parado pra...
ॐ ज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जन शलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय वन्दे गुरुपदद्वन्द्वं भक्तवृन्दसमन्वितं श्रीचैतन्यं प्रभुं वन्दे नित्यानन्दस्वरूपम् नन्दनन्दनं वन्दे राधिका चरणोदयं गोपीनां समयुक्तानां वृन्दावनं नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्णप्रेमप्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्णचैतन्य नाम्ने गुरुभक्तिसेव्ये हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधो जगत्पति गोपीश गोपिकाकान्त राधाकान्त नमस्ते तप्तकाञ्चन गौराङ्गी राधे वृन्दावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। ओम वृंदावै तुलसी देवै प्रिया वै केशवस्य च कृष्ण भक्ति प्रति देवी सत्यवती श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि श्री गौरभक्तवृन्द हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। So first of all, humble, respectful Dhanavad Pranam, Lotus feet of Nityalila, Pravishtam Vishnupada, Ashtotra Sadhya Sriman Bhakti Vedanta, Sri Bhavan Goswami Maharaj, and Nityalila Pravishtam Vishnupada, Ashtotra Sadhya Bhakti Vedanta, Sri Bhavan Goswami Maharaj, and simultaneously offer my humble, respectful Dhanavad Pranam, Lotus feet of Nityalila Pravishtam Vishnupada, Ashtotra Sadhya Sriman Bhakti Vedanta, Swami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Sagar Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all devotees, and presented all of my respectful guests. You will answer those who do not understand.
Aqueles que não entendem inglês, você está aqui um pouco para trás, vai ser tradução simultânea. Também está no Vana Madura em Brasil.
Small. So, actually we are going Gurudev Sri Nityalila Pravishtam Vishnupada, Ashtotra Sadhya Bhakti Vedanta, Sri Narayana Goswami Maharaj, Vyasa Puja Mahotsav. Vyasa Puja. First you try to understand Guru's appearance day and disciple celebrate his Vyasa Puja. So every day disciple have to worship lotus feet of his Guru. Nityam Guru Puja. Or say Nityam Guru Puja. Because Krishna says, Patamantu Guru Pujyam Tatoischaiva Mama Archanam. First you worship lotus feet of Guru, then worship to me. The question will come, which day we worship Guru or which day we will not worship to Guru. Which day we will not worship to Guru? Follow. Huh? When one day you should not worship your Guru. No, one day. Which day you will not worship your Guru? When your breath stop. When you breathe stop. You cannot taking the breath, and that day you have to stop to worship your Guru. Or otherwise you have to every day worship Guru. Nittam pujaya. Nitya means every day. Guru puja. Krishna puja, Guru puja, every day. You cannot stop. Those who are not worshipping Guru, and all his activity, that is called useless. And first to try to understand, Shastra saying, if you not worship Lotus feet of Guru, then all your activity, spiritual activity, that is called useless. Krishna says, Prathamantu Guru Pujyam. Prathamantu Guru Pujyam. First you worship Lotus feet of Guru, then you worship to Krishna. And otherwise you lose everything. Nisphalang bhavit. When you cannot get any kinds of fruits. So in this verse, actually present tense. Sanskrit word is Vartaman Kal. Present tense. Nittam sevaya. Nittam Guru sevaya. But I don't know how many you worship every day. Lotus feet of Guru. Who is worshipping? Guru Sevadu. So saying Guru Sususwa Bhakta Sarvo Lavinanacha Sangeno Sadhunang Isara Aradhananacha. Guru Sususwa Bhakta. Rendering servicing Lotus feet of Guru. Guru Sususwa Bhakta. Sarva Lavinacha, and you attain your Sarva Lavinacha, attain your highest perfection. What is your highest perfection? Voilà. Highest perfection, how to become the medicinal Srimati Radha Das. So saying Guru Sususwa Bhakta Sarva Lavinacha. Sangena sadhu bhaktanam. Sangena, and you associate with sadhu. Guru Suswa Bhakta Sarva Lavinacha Sangena sadhu Isara Aradhana. This is called Isar Aradhana. Then you do worship to Lord. So here use this word present continuous tense. What tense? Present continuous tense. That means Nittam Bhagavata Sevaya. Bhakti manifest in your heart or not? How do you know? How much water in the milk? How do you know? Need take one machine, that is called lactometer. And when you lactometer put in the milk, then you can see how much water or how much pure milk. And in the same way, bhakti in our heart or not, how do you know? Now how much your nishtha. Guru Puja you are every day doing or not? So saying the Guru Sususa Bhakta Sarva Labhinacha Sangena Sadhuna Ishara Aradhananacha. Everybody know the sloka. But how much you are worshipping Guru? Always I am saying, acquire the knowledge, this is not important. So always giving example, even the demon also, they are very great knowledge. They have knowledge, but they are not practicing. Ravan, Kumbhakarna, they are not ordinary person. They have vast of knowledge, again, but they never practice. This is the point. For this regard, their name is coming in the list of demon. So just I come back in this, they are also using this word, Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya. Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya, every day, every second, every moment, who worship and Bhagavatam. Grantha Bhagavat and Bhakta Bhagavat. That is Bhakta Bhagavat means Vaishnava Thakur. Guru and Vaishnava. So Guru Seva, Vaishnava Seva, this is the essence of our life. Understand this way. So now coming in this way, the anartha nivritti. You are saying how to remove anarthas. Anartha nivritti is how to perform all kinds of unwanted things from his heart when you worship God, lotus feet of Guru. Guru Sisusa, Seva. Guru Seva. There are many kinds of Guru Seva also. Understand this? What kinds of Guru Seva? Bani Seva and Vapu Seva. Bani Seva, listen Hari Katha, then you preach and print the Hari Katha and spread all over the world. That is called Bani Seva. That Sanskrit word that is called Brihat Mridanga Seva. Brihat Mridanga Seva. This is very important. Or another is called Vapu Seva. Physically serve to Guru. That is called Vapu Seva. But all these seva first depend on how to surrender. Saranagati. Without Saranagati, when it's surrendered respect of Guru, all your service is not perfect service. So first need what is Saranagati. Saranga Saranagati, Vai Bejahar, Ahara Prarthana Sune, Srinanda Kumar. Saranga Saranagati, there are 6 limbs of Saranagati. Anukulasa Sankalpa, Pratikulasa Vivarjanam, Rakhisate Viswaso, Gopsite Varanam Tatha, Atmanikippa Karpanyam, Saravidha Saranagati. Again and again, learn this verse. The Anukulasa Sankalpa, which are favorable for bhakti, you have to accept, or those who are unfavorable for bhakti should be rejected. So Anukulasa Sankalpa, Pratikulasa Rakhisati Viswaso. Always you think, Krishna is my maintainer, Krishna is my protector. One devotee wrote me, Gurudev, soon world war will come. So what will do now? What will do? World war will come. So what will do now? So I will go Navadvip Dham, Vrindavan Dham, and if world war will come, then maybe I will die. Understand? Who knows? And a bombing had, who knows? There will be world war coming. So here people will be alive or not? Some people alive, some people not alive. Understand? One sadhu told, if you not do bhajan and sadhan, then you will die. Understand? Then all the villagers, they are afraid. Are all the people, they are afraid. And they are crying, oh, we will die. One person, he was laughing. Then sadhu asked, why you are laughing? Everybody, they are crying, or you are laughing? Why? That time he told, that person he told, you told in this village people will die. So you think I am not belongs to this village. Or you are not belonging to this village, you are die or not? One day everyone will die or not? So now coming in this way, Krishna is our maintainer, Krishna is our protector. War will come or not come. People will die or not? Now only war will come, people will die. If the war will not come, people will die or not? When your predicted time will come, you will die. Understand? So, Krishna is our maintainer, Krishna is our protector. Rakhe Hari, Mare ke Mare Hari Rakhe. But Vaishnava, they don't want to die also. Why? You want to die or not? No. Why? What is the reason? Because if you stay more in this material world, then you more bhajan and sadhana. Good or not? For this regard. The more and more I serve to Krishna, more and more I chant holy names. Who knows again we will get this human body or not? Because the human body is very, very rare. Bharat Maharaj, he left his body, then he got the body of dear body. Dear body, in his dear body he could not perform bhajan inside. So pure sadhu always thinking this. If I stay in this body and more chant holy names, are those who are not doing bhajan and sadhan, also they don't want to die. Why? Because they are thinking, if I will die, then I cannot enjoy the sense gratification. So for this regard, Jiva Goswami Pad, he wrote, Rajoputra Chiranjivi Bhava. What is that? Rajoputra Chiranjivi Bhava. Pardon? Chiranjivi Bhava. You live long life. Oh prince, you should be long life. So the Rajoputra Chiranjivi Vyadho. Vyadho ma jivo ma maro. Vyadho means hunter. or you are giving so much distress, unhappiness to the others living entities. So, ma jivo ma maro. What is the meaning of your life? You live in this material world or give up your body, both are useless. So saying, Rajaputra Chiranjivi bhava, Vyadho mamaro majivo. And he hunter, Vyadho means hunter. And you live in this material world, give others material useless. Because you are giving so much distress, unhappiness to others. Understand this? And sadhu ma jivo ma maro. Hey sadhu, you don't give up your body. Why? Because you give up this body, and then people, they will be feeling unhappiness. Or ma maro. Ma jivo ma maro means you give up this body or stay in this body. After your death, you will go to abode of Lord. Understand? I will go the abode of Lord. The sadhu give up their body, then will go to Guru Vrindavan. So why you are performing hard austerities here? So saying ma jiva. Ma jiva means don't live in this material world. Because you are doing so much hard austerities. So saying ma jiva. Or ma moro. You don't die. This thing. So remember this. Rajaputra Chiranjivi bhava. Or Vyadho ma jivo ma maro. Vyad means hunter. You are alive or you are dead, both are useless. Because you are giving so much distress to others. And after your death, you will also go hell. Or sadhu mamaro majivo. So everything is depend on Krishna. Krishna Ichha, according to the desires of Lord. We will stay in this material world, or according to the desires of Lord, we will give up this body. This is Torah. So now coming in this way, so we are going to celebrate Gurudev Vyasa Puja. But Vyasa Puja means Vyasa Vistarathe iti Vyasa. What is meaning Vyasa? Vistar, one who glorifies the pastimes of Guru and Krishna, is called Vyasa. And who is sitting that asana is called Vyasasana. This is called what asana? Vyasasana. Vyasa asanam iti Vyasasana. Singhasan. What means Singhasan? Singha Chinnita Asanam iti Singhasan. That throne and is called as the symbol of powerful lion. The symbol of powerful lion. For this regard, that is called Singhasan in Samas. Singha Chinnita Asanam iti Singhasan. Before that, the throne so very nicely decorate with the structure of the lion. Structure, understand? Very nice, beautiful this lion. Two side is lion. This side one lion, this side one. The structure. A lion is the symbol of powerful. Lion is called the king of the forest. Understand? So for this regard, this proverb coming Singhasan. Singha Chinnita Asanam iti Singhasanam. Singha means lion. Chinnita means what is it called? Symbol. That Asan means the seat. So for this regard, that is called Singhasan. Ancient time, and king also sitting his seat, and two side very nice, beautiful structure of lion. Understand? We are saying this is called Singhasan. Actually, here is no the shape of lion, no structure of lion, but it's called we are Singhasan. What is coming? But not a reality coming. Coming or not? There is the symbol of outside. Now lion are sitting outside. They are guarding. We cannot run away. So for this regard, that lion is now outside and roaring. Only you come out from the lion, Singhasan, I will kill you. Anyhow, just you also. Vyasasa. Actually, I think Vyas Rasa. And so Vyas means you forget. What is meaning Vyas? Spreading. Spread. Vyasa. Vyasa vistararte iti Vyasa. And one who glorifies, spreading the pastimes of Krishna, he is called Vyasa. Remember, then one who glorified and spread Krishna Katha, and it is called Vyasa. Yesterday I told 2 days before, what is his name? Vrindavan Das Thakur, he is called Chaitanya Leela Vyasa. And Srimad Bhagavatam Leela Vyasa, Krishna Dvaipayan Veda Vyasa. Krishna Dvaipayan Veda Vyasa. And he glorifies about Krishna Leela Katha in Srimad Bhagavatam. Or Chaitanya Mahapur Leela Vyasa, that is called Vrindavan Das Thakur. Vyasa Vistarat. And spread this Leela. So now coming in this way, Vyas, that is called Vistarat. Again I will say, what is the meaning of Vyas? What do you mean Vyas? If you make one curve line, circle, in the middle one point, then with the compass you can make that line. And in the middle, that is called center. And Kendra Bindu. And from the center, if you make the line until the curve of the line, all lines will be same. So that is called the Vyasa. That is, here the center, this point, that is called Krishna. Understand? That means one who spread Krishna Katha and all over the world. That is called Vyasa. And so Krishna Katha. So Krishna Katha Vyasa. And spread. So Krishna Dvaipan with the Vyasa is spread and all the sweet pastimes of Krishna. Or Vrindavan Das Thakur, he spread Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's all Lila Katha spread, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Lila Katha everywhere. So for this regard, Chaitanya Lila Vyasa, they is called Vrindavan Das Thakur, and Radha Krishna Lila Katha Vyasa, they is called Krishna Dvaipayan Veda Vyasa. So remember, just I also mentioned, that is called what is the meaning of Vyasa. Vyasa Vistararte iti Vyasa. This is very important. Or one who sit, one who spread Hari Katha, Krishna Katha with that sit, that is called Vyasasana. What is called? Vyasa asanam iti Vyasasanam. Same way I also, that is called Singhasana. What is the Singhasana? Singhasana, Vyasasana. Singhasana means that the throne, the structure of two lions. That is called Singhasana. Singha means lion. Understand? That is very nice, beautiful, two lions. Different shape also. As the one lion this way standing and lion this standing. And this. Have you seen or not? Pictures. It's called Singhasana. Why this lion is the king of the forest? And lion is very powerful. And you cannot see the seat, not the shape of the dog, not the shape of and goat. Goat or not? No. Bakri asan, bakrasan. Bakri asanam iti bakra. Chagasan, bakri Hindi word. But Sanskrit don't say. Dhenu asanam is Dhanukasur asanam. Kamsa says many asanam there. Kamsa is like. Understand this? But mostly everybody know prominent, that is called Singhasana. Singha Channita Asanam, it is Singhasana. So, but in our spiritual life, we are saying that is called Vyasasana. What is called? Vyasa Asanam iti Vyasasana. One who spread Krishna Katha and sitting on that and sit, that is called Vyasasana. So now so we are going to Vyasa Puja. Guru Puja, another name is called also Vyasa Puja. Guru Puja Namantar Vyasa Puja. You understand? Guru Puja or Vyasa Puja. Puja means, what do you mean Puja? Worship. That's just a English translation we say. What do you mean Puja? Puja means how to give the pleasure. Ananda. Give the pleasure. Ananda. Pujayati. Anandayati. In Sanskrit many synonyms are coming. Puja. Guru Puja, Vishnu Puja, and many pujas name in Shastra. So puja means is you have to give the pleasure. And Guru and Krishna, Guru Puja, Krishna Puja, Guru Puja, Krishna Puja, Gaur Puja. Puja means actually give the pleasure. Pujayati, Anandayati. This is called Guru Puja, Vyasa Puja, this word is used. First to understand what is the meaning of puja. Pujayati, Anandayati, iti puja. One who gives pleasure to Lord, pleasure to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, pleasure to Guru Bhakti. For this, that time we use this word, Guru Puja, and Gaur Puja, Krishna Puja, and these are things. So we are going to Vyasa Puja. But every day we are worshipping Guru. Worship or not? Yes. But why Guru's appearance day we call Vyasa Puja? Because that is special things of it. And very Mahattapurna, very valuable day. Because Gurudev, he is always staying in Golok Vrindavan. And worship his Ishtadev, Ishtadevi, Divine Guru Radha and Krishna. But Gurudev is merciful. And he descended from Golok Vrindavan. And accept our puja or offering. Puja, there are many meanings. One is called offering also. Offering flowers. That is called Puspanjali. That is called Puspanjali. Puspa means flowers, Anjali means with our hands offering. That is called Puspanjali. Or here Puspa, means flowers, and Puspa, another name is called Suman. What is it called? Suman. Suman is beautiful. Man means mind. Suman means flowers, and Suman means beautiful mind. Because you have to offer to Guru and Krishna beautiful things, not bad things. What do you offer? Flowers. But which flowers you offer to Guru and Krishna? Shastra mentioned, if the flower is contaminated with mud or not clean, that flowers we should not offer to Krishna. You offer to the flowers, that flowers neat and clean, not too much fragrance and not less fragrance. That's the saying in this Sanskrit word. What is saying? Na oti utkat gandhayukta puspa, you should not offer to Lord. That fragrance very, what is called? Strong. You should not offer that flowers to Guru and Krishna. Or another hand also saying, which flowers have no smell. You should not offer that flowers to Lord. You understand? What do you understand? Which flowers are no scent, no fragrance, or nothing. There are many flowers, small flowers. Understand? That flowers you should not offer to Lord. Or some flowers smell very strong smells. Understand? And that flowers also you should not offer to Guru and Krishna. Shastra mentioned this. So which flowers you offer to Lord? Eh? Which flower? Not too much strong and what is it? Fragrance. That flowers, or which flowers are no fragrance, you should not offer to Krishna. Eh? Remember this. So now come in this way, Guru Puja, and how to give pleasure to Guru Pad. There will be glorification about Guru's life history and his contribution. Actually, this is called the perfect Guru Puja. Other things that is called Upacharik. Upacharik means external what we are doing. Formality. The formality also need or not? Also need. What do you say?
The rest of isso principal do cérebro maduro e a história de vida dele é a contribuição. O resto são formalidades.
Upacharik. What is it called? Upacharik. Formality need only. If you have high need for formality. That is for the preaching to attract the others people. If you not nicely decorate, put the Vyasa Puja, normally then people will not attract you. Need it or not? You can very nicely decorate here with the balloon and different things. Understand? We did 7 days Bhagavad Katha is there. They decorate or not? Then people will raise their hands. Understand? Normal people are thinking, they are thinking, yes, something is happened. People will come or not? Or if you don't just every day, people will not enter. So for this, Shastra is saying this, Upacharik Katha, and external activities need also. Understand? When you are going to any your brother or sister marriage ceremony celebration, you take a very nice cloth or not? Then you are going. Why? Your person is same. But at the time of marriage ceremony or any nice ceremony is going, then you dress is very nice cloth. You attract the people. This is important. People are going or not? And everybody also very nicely decorate. Or if you not nice cloth, then everybody is going, useless. Homeless people. Even your brother, if your father will say, oh, this is a homeless. Useless. Homeless, useless, crazy. So, Upacharik, this is also need. You cannot say no need Upacharik. You cannot say this one. So, in the day of Vyasa Puja, Guru Puja, Vyasa Puja, very nicely decorated. Understand? Every year put the very nice, beautiful balloon. Understand? Why did this time Ramachandra Prabhu, he did not come? Pardon? Very nice one. Every year he also nice balloon. Good. Because for this regard, people will be attracted. And nice prasad also need. Prepare many kinds of preparation. And understand? You have the preparation, two types of preparation you have to do. One for the devotee, understand? Brazilian devotee, they like Brazilian food. Or another preparation for Guru and Krishna. What Gurudev and he likes, and that preparation you have to prepare. You prepare very nice Brazilian preparation. What is your Brazilian preparation? Beans, then pasta, pista, cake. Prepare all these things. Gurudev also puja. Hey Gurudev will give me prasad, then you give pasta, pista, Gurudev. Eat or not? All devoted disciples are eating, or Gurudev? So this is what the meaning. Useless. Understand? Okay, you can do for the devotee this. Okay, this need. But what Gurudev does want? His favorite food, his favorite sabji, you have to prepare. Then Gurudev eat or not? Gurudev Vyasa Puja, Gurudev never ate and pasta, pista. Eat or not? No. Understand? So two things you also do. One for devotee or one for Gurus. What does he want? What is the favorite? Preparation. You have to prepare. Otherwise you thinking, oh, I like, what is it called? Pista. Pizza. So I will eat, I will offer to Gurudev. Gurudev will eat or not? No. Many kinds of flowers also. Very nicely decorated flower. Actually, why I am saying this is when you are saying this is Guru Puja. Puja, this word, just intense this word about puja. Puja means give pleasure. Pujayati, anandayati, iti puja. What is it? Pujayati, anandayati, iti puja. You give pleasure. How is very pleased? How is it pleased? Many kaik, bachik, and manasik seva. Kaik seva. Kaik means with your body you can serve and cooking and decorating everything. That is called kaik seva. And kaik means with your body servicing. That is called kaik seva. Very nice body you have or not? Fresh body. You have fresh body or not? No, sick body. What? Fresh body. Strong body. So in the strong body you serve to Gurudev. Very nicely decorate. Kaik seva. Bachik with your words, glorification, Guru Padma Hari Katha. Understand? This is called Bachik seva. Or Kaik Bachik or Manasik with your mind. But this Manasik seva, this service your mind, this is high level. So Uttam Mahabhagavat. They also absorb with the Gurudev seva. Understand? What seva? The Gurudev he is Raman Manjari. How Raman Manjari he is servicing to Srimati Radhika. Understand? Srila Gurudev Narayan Goswami Maharaj, in his lecture, I am listening. He is saying, very nice katha also there. The Radha and Krishna, they are taking rest. In the meantime, the cockati, one female monkey, her name is called cockati. Radha Krishna, many types of animals also there. That female monkey's name also cockati. Krishna is also many monkey. Krishna is also monkey is there. What the name of the monkey of Krishna? Pala. I told this katha. Dodhi Lobha. What is his name? Dodhi Lobha. Dodhi Lobha, understand? That monkey is very expert and taking the smell. Then he will be recognized. That is the best Jogati is there. Or the best what is called? Butter is there. And koi understand? Smell. Taking the smell. Then he coming and informed to Krishna and his friends. Understand? One day I told this very story, nice story also. But half the story I told, I did not tell completely. One day, one gopi, she prepared best qualities, what is it called? Butter, best qualities. And as like Padma Gandha, cows milk, that butter. Very tasty and also sweet fragrance. She prepared. And she thinking every day Krishna used to come to our house and stealing butter. But today, Krishna did not steal our butter. For this regard, that gopi she prepared best qualities butter. And that butter also kept and his own asana. Brajavasi, they are sitting one kind of asana that is called, what is called? Under the asana, completely empty. क्या बोलते हैं? मूढ़ा ना? Muda understand? No. Braj language, Muda means one kind of asana and sit. Understand? There is a inside is completely empty. As like you are playing, what is called? Have the drum. Okay, just to understand. Inside is what? Empty or not? So in the same way that Brajgopi, she prepared that the best quality is butter and kept one pot and also covered that asana. And she also seated. So how did Krishna will steal butter? And you are sitting here. Or that drum is not in here. कहाँ चला गया? Opposite. Okay. This is also good, no problem. Something is better than nothing. Looks like this. Okay. There, outside. So butter is here. This is Brajavasi. They are saying this is called as like, what is called? Mudha. What is called? Mudha. Braj language. And sitting. Butter is here. Yeah. And she is sitting. Yeah. So Krishna first sent his messenger. That monkey. That monkey's name? Huh? You forget? Are Dodhi Lobha. Dodhi Lobha. His name is called Dodhi Lobha. And Srimati Radhika's monkey's name? What is his name? Kakkati. And both monkey. One monkey is of Srimati Radhika and another monkey of Krishna. That is called Dodhi Lobha. Krishna's monkey's name? Dodhi Lobha. Srimati Radhika's monkey's name? Kakkati. Okay. So now Krishna is thinking, I have to steal butter from this gopi house. So Krishna first he sent his messenger Dodhi Lobha, that monkey. Yes, that Dodhi Lobha monkey, that the male monkey. As Srimati Radhika monkey's name Kakkati is female. So now Kakkati, Dodhi Lobha, that monkey is coming. That Dodhi Lobha monkey, he is very expert to collect the smell of the butter. And then you realize, oh, today is very difficult to steal the butter. Not so easy. Because Dodhi Lobha monkey, he realized now the butter is here under this mura. And cover this. Our gopi she is sitting also and taking one stick in our hand. Understand? Gopi she is sitting. And taking one stick. If Krishna or Shakha, they will come, they beat. They cannot stay. So, as Shyat Krishna he planned, today anyhow I have to steal this butter. Which butter? Very nice, sweet. Padmagandha Gavi's butter. So how will steal now? Messenger, he gave the message. Dodhi Lobha messenger, Dodhi Lobha monkey, he gave the message to Krishna. Hey Krishna, this topmost high qualities butter now under the mura. Remember, this is called asanam. But that gopi is sitting also on the asanam. And that gopi also hold the stick. So how to steal him? Maybe tomorrow we'll tell you. But Krishna have to stay. Krishna is very clever now. Follow Vrindavan Vihari Lal. So now coming back, our subject is called Guru Puja, Vyasa Puja. Guru Puja's name is called also Vyasa Puja. How to stay Krishna? The gopi sitting or not? Gopi sitting on the high security. Not so easy. Balo Vrindavan Vihari Lal. You think that how Krishna with his friends steal that the butter under the mura? Bolo. How? You heard this katha or not?
It's the second time.
So say first time I told, second time half. So half story, half means one. Complete.
No, but not the missing part. You do the same part twice. You will have. Are we stealing?
Huh? Oh, now, today actually this is not our subject. Subject is what? Vyasa Puja or Guru Puja.
How to pay attention to the other subject? No.
Understand? The subject is not today either and Krishna stealing the butter. Our subject is coming to write one letter. Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhupada told one story. If you don't know the subject, so how possible give the perfect answer? So Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada, he gave an example. One boy is very intelligent and preparation for his examination. In the class teacher told, hey, and you have to learn to essay. One essay for cat or one essay for river. Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhu, just I repeat it. Vidal Rachana, Nadi Rachana. The essay about cat or essay about river. And understand? Two essay you have to learn. But that boy, he learned the essay about cat. But he did not study for essay about river. But in his examination paper coming about essay about river. You have to write about river. But he did not prepare to river. Understand? So now what to do now? Then he write one line. Okay, there is one river in front of my house. One line. Very nice. Clean water flowing this. And one or two lines. Then he start to write, I have one very nice beautiful cat. And that cat every day used to come in front on the bank of the river. And then whole his letter he wrote about cat. Only 2 lines wrote about a river. As a teacher will give marks or not? Subject is for the river, or you are writing about cat. So you get marks or not? No. Maybe you will get 1 mark but 0 marks. This is how. That is that is Sanskrit word. What is called? Yes, Pandita is saying. The Sabdantar, which is not our subject. Not the main subject. If you not give the answer of the main subject, then you will not get the correct answer. Our subject is not to how Krishna is stealing butter from Gopi's house. So if I tell you that katha, that is our katha is going in where? Vyasa Puja katha. So just a little bit, we also touch about a monkey. One monkey is Srimati Radhika's female monkey's name, Kakati, or Krishna's male monkey's name, Dodhi Loha. Understand? Or if I tell about the Dodhi Loha monkey's katha, then our Vyasa Puja katha is not written, then you get the number, 0 number. Because this is kathantar.
Type of puja seva,
Kaik, Bachis and Manasik. Manasik Seva, Gurudev Seva, Manasik Seva. Krishna Seva, Manasik Seva. Kaik Seva, with our body, we can cooking, we can making garland, decorate. This is called our Kaik Seva. Understand? You are cooking very nicely, these things. Prepared, which sabji Gurudev he likes, you have to cook. Now only Brazilian. Pasta, pista we cook. Okay, you can cook. But you have to cook what Gurudev he likes. Understand? Understand or not? Oh, Phala.
Yes.
If you will not understand, go there, he will be explained. He translating. So Kaik Seva. Kaik means with your body. Physical service. That is called Kaik Seva. Bachik Seva. With your tongue, words, you glorify to Guru Padma. Bachik Seva. Katha, glorification of Guru. Guru Vaishnava. That is called Bachik Seva. Or Manasik Seva, with your mind, remembrance. Actually, the Manasik Seva is the highest stage. And only Uttam Bhagavat is called, his service is called Manasik Seva. And other we think saying, Gurudev, Name Achi. Understand? Gurudev do the service, then Gurudev Name Achi. Name Achi, understand? Man? I am chanting holy name. No. You proper with this. So, Bachik, Manasik Seva, that is called Uttam Bhagavad. Even not Uttam Bhagavad. Mahaprabhu gave instruction to Raghunath Das Guru. Mane mane siddha deha koriya bhavan ratri dine Radha Krishner karaha sevan. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told to Raghunath Das Goswami. Mane mane siddha deha. And your mind always absorbed with your transcendental constitutional power. Siddha deha. But when remembrance is transcendental constitutional power. One who comes in the stage of Bhav and Prema Dosha. Uttam Bhagavad. Kanishta Adhikari cannot Manasik Seva. You understand? Manamane Siddha Deha Kariya Bhavan Ratri Dine Radha Krishna Karaho Sevan. Because all instruction will be giving according of your adhikar. Step by step give you adhikar. When you are small baby, that I give you one lesson to you. When you more advanced, that time giving another lesson to you. Are you more and more advanced, giving another lesson? He is giving lesson about Mridanga play. Step by step, First day, one lesson, second day, another lesson, third day, another lesson. You are giving or not? So step by step. And how to practice your hand, finger. Hasta sadhanam. And hasta sadhanam. How to practice your hands. So in the same way, when you develop your sadhana bhajan, then last stage, that is called Ashtakalin Lila Smaranam. Understand? Ashtakalin Lila Smaranam. And Kanishta Adhikari, Madhyam Adhikari, not they are qualified to Ashtakalin Lila Smaranam. And so Kai Seva, Bachik Seva, every can do. And our Manasik Seva, that is reserved for Uttam Mahabharata. Understand this? Ashtakalya Leelas. And one devotee asked to Gurudev Narayan Goswami Maharaj, say, Gurudev, when I will do Ashtakalya Leelas Smaran? Then Gurudev told, one Kaliya, Krishna, he killed a Krishna's subside, no? Chastise. Subdue. One Kaliya. Krishna subdue one Kaliya. Or you are saying 8 Kaliyas. Ashta means 8. Kal means Kaliya. So Gurudev joked. Oh, wow. You are higher than Krishna. Ashtakali Lila, who can do? Uttam Bhagavad. How to say Uttam Bhagavad? They are doing this. So Manasik Seva is Uttam Bhagavad. That you remember this. First to then, there is some process also there. And Atmadhyan. And first you meditate about your own Atma, Atmadhyan. Tasang Madhe Manorama Nana Alankara Vibhusita. And you will meditate yourself. There is the highest level. And without coming in the stage of Uttam Bhagavad, are you pretending and to Ashtakalya Lila or that is called offense aparad. So now comes the Guru Puja. And 3 ways you can Guru Puja according your adhikar. But 2 adhikar everybody can do. That is for everybody. What is called? Kaik and Bachik. What is called? Kaik means with your body. Understand? What is your Kaik Seva? What is it? Cook, cleaning, and cleaning the butt. What is called? Pot. Different. But that is called. And make the garland, decoration, Kaik Seva. Kaik Seva, this is for everybody, general. Basic Seva, little bit higher. Understand? They think. Basic means with the words and glorified from Guru Padma. Glorified about Krishna. What is the relationship Guru and Krishna? As like Raghunath Das Goswami glorifies about his Guru, Jadunandan Acharya, Nama Sestang Manopi Sushpatra Sarupam, Rupam Tasagrajam Gurupuring Maturing Goshtavatim, Radha Kundam Griparmoho, Radhika Madhavasam, Prapta Jassa Prathita Kripaya, Sri Guru Tangnatosmin. This verse composed by Raghunath Das Goswami. And glorification about his Guru, Jadunandan Acharya. नाम श्रेष्ठं मनुपि शचीपुत्र स्वरूपम रूपं तस्तग्रजं उरुपुरी माथुरीं गोष्ठवाटिं राधा कुंडं गिरिवरो मोहो राधिका माधवासां प्राप्त जस्य प्रतीत कृपया श्री गुरु तं नतोस्मि. Actually, this is called the Bachik Seva with a word, glorification. Raghunath Das very humbly is saying, Nama system, I received highest name, Mahamantra. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare. Then second, mantra, Manuvane mantra. Nama Seshtam Manu. Seshta mantra. Highest mantra, what is the highest mantra? Then first is Maha mantra, then mantra. That is called Gopal mantra. Gopal mantra comes actually before only giving the Gopal mantra. Sarakshar Gopal mantra. In the beginning, Guru gives his disciple only Gopal mantra. Gopal mantra, one name is called Mantra Raj. Or that mantra, 6 syllables. And now our Gopal mantra, how many syllables? Ashtadasakshar Gopal mantra. Ashtadasakshar means 18 syllables. You count or not? Not counting. Ashtadasakshar Gopal mantra. Bhakti Krishna mantra. King Krishna Govinda. How many? 18th and 1/8. 18 syllables. Ashtadasakshar Gopal mantra. And this mantra, his name is called Mantra Raj, the king of all the mantras. If you chant Gopal mantra, Krishna mantra, King Krishna Govinda, then you attain the Gopi Bhav. Gopijana Vallabhayo, you get. Very powerful mantra. So what this mantra is called? Mantra Raj. Nama Srishtam Manuapi. Sachiputra Sarupam. Sachiputra means Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. By the causeless mercy of Jyotinandan Acharya, I took shelter, lotus feet of Sachinandan Gaur Hari. And Jyotinandan Acharya arranged for him how to come in Jagannath Puri and meet with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Raghunath Das Goswami, when he met with Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave many instructions. No, Raghunath, don't you give up your parents, don't you leave your house, you stay with them. And what is it called? Naho Batul, Kame Pai Loke, Bhavasindu. Antara Nishta Karo, Bajja Log Vyavahar, Achirate Krishna Tumai, Koriben. Koriben. Mahaprabhu told, no, Raghunath, don't give up your household life. When Raghunath Das Goswami met with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, told Prabhu, I want to go with you to Jagannath Puri. I will stay with you. Mahaprabhu told, no, you stay here. You stay with your parents to bhajan and song. And Antara Nishta Karo, Bajje Log Vyavahar, Achirate Krishna Tomai Koriben Uddhar. Bhalo na khai, no, that is called the Jagannath Puri. Later. But first, Antara Nishta Karo, Bajje Log Vyavahar, Achirate Krishna Tomai Koriben Uddhar. But Jyotinandan Acharya, he arranged how to leave his house. And Raghunath Das Goswami lavished, everybody have to read. Now we are coming also. After Basanta, day of Basanta Panchami. Everybody come. And Raghunath Das Basanta Panchami. Very nice. Raghunath Das Goswami's appearance day. and also Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad. Another? Raghunandan Thakur. And also Basanta Panchami, topmost. Harikatha. So, Antarnish, why I am saying for this? He is saying this way. Nama Sestang Manupi Sachiputta Sarupam Rupam Tasagrajam Rupa, I got the associate Rupa Goswami path. And his elder brother Sanatan Goswami path. Nama Sestang Manupi Sachiputta Sarupam Rupam Tasagrajam Urupuri. Urupuri means Sheshta Puri, Sheshta place. Puri, that is called Mathura Puri. Understand? Mathur Puri means Mathura Mandal. Braja Mandal. Here Mathura Puri means Braja Mandal. In Brajbas. Very humble he is saying. By the causeless mercy of my Guru, Jadanandan Acharya, I am now staying in Brajvas, staying in Braj. Urupuri Mathuring, Goshtavati, Goshtavash, Brajavash. Or Radha Kundam, Girivaram. And also I am sitting on the bank of Radha Kunda in Giriraj Govardhan. Giriraj Govardhan, two eyes. One is called Radha Kunda, another is called Shyamakunda. Namasri Manu Visajiputta Sarpam Rupam Tasaguru Rupuring Mathuring Gushtavating Radha Kundam Girivaro Radhika Madhavasam. And especially I am now direct associated with Srimati Radhika. Radha Kunda Vas means you are staying on the bank of Radha Kunda. Means you direct meet with Srimati Radhika. Kundir Mahima Jani Radhar Mahima. The glories of Radha Kunda, that is called non-difference from Srimati Radhika. So that means everything I receive by the causeless mercy of Guru Padma, Guru Kripa Keval. Raghunath Das Goswami, Guru Nishtha, unique and unparalleled. You can see other Goswamis, Grantha, you read things, but Raghunath Das Goswami is this Grantha. Especially, what is it called? This Grantha, Muktacharit Grantha. Nama Sestang Manopi Sarupam. This sloka he composed in his very topmost Grantha, that is called Muktacharit Grantha. What Grantha? You listen this name or not? Yes. You read? No. Have to read. Very nice Grantha. Muktacharit Grantha. But one life just listen, no problem. Understand? Everybody collect this Grantha. And everybody do pranam. This Grantha. What is his name? Muktacharit. In this Muktacharit Grantha, preface sloka. Glorification of Jadanandan Acharya Guru Pada. Many people, because it did not directly mention the name of Jadanandan Acharya. But everything you are the glorification about his Guru. Indirectly, he glorify about his Guru Jadunandan Acharya. Understand this? Taking the name or taking direct name or indirect name. Taking direct name or taking indirect name. Who is the best? Indirect. Okay, you are singing Narayana Sirasi Mama. What are you singing? So Gurudev Narayan Goswami Pranam Mantra. Namam Vishnu Padaya Radhikai Priyatmai. Sri Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Narayana. So Gurudev name is here. There is a direct taking name. Or another take name and indirect. Huh? So which name is best? Indirect. Huh? Understand? Indirect always suitable. Understand? If you direct taking, that is not suitable. And one is called Sakya, another is called Parakya. Which is good? Which is the best, Sakya or Parakya? Parakya. Understand? So here, why I am saying, because here in this Muktacharita Grantha, Srila Raghunath Das Goswami he did not direct take the name of his Guru, Yadunandan Acharya. But when you read these slokas, automatically manifest. Indirectly manifest his Guru's name. Nama Sestang Manopi Sachiputra Sarupam Rupam Tasyagrajam Uruparim Mapuring Gustavatim Radha Kundam Girivaramo Radhika Madhavaz Prapta Jasa Prathita Shri Guru Tangnata. The indirectly. This sloka is very sweet. So for this I use this word. Here look this. I like Raghunath Das Goswami in the Vilapa Pushpanjali, first sloka. And Guru's Pranam Mantra. After his Guru Pranam Mantra, saying to Rupa Goswami Pa. Tang Rupa Manjari Padita Pure Vasmin. This is the topmost Guru's Pranam Mantra. Understand? Because Raghunath Goswami, he realized, revealed his Sarupa form. And he realized the Sarup of Rupa Goswami. If you don't know about your own Sarup, how to glorify about your Guru's Sarup? And first to open your eyes, then you can see. You close your eyes, how to see? Need which eyes? Transcendental eyes. Understand? This is that. And if you have no transcendental eyes, so you cannot see. Both are true or wrong? Who has transcendental eyes and aprakita netra? Transcendental eyes means aprakita netra. Transcendental eyes. And who has no transcendental eyes, so how will you see? Vyasa Prasadena, by the causeless mercy of Vyasdev, then Sanjay, and he opened his eyes. That eyes is called transcendental eyes. This was looking. That is called Kripa Chakchu. What is Chakchu? Kripa Chakchu. Eyes of mercy. So that is called transcendental. This is the important. So Guru Puja, always I will just coming back again. Otherwise derails from the subject. Our subject, what is the meaning of Guru Puja? Guru Puja's name is called Vyasa Puja. What is the Guru Puja name is called? Vyasa Puja. Same word. Guru Puja, Vyasa Puja. But every day disciples should be worship his Guru. That is called Guru Puja. Or when Guru's appearance day, that you are saying Vyasa Puja. Every day we are not doing Vyasa Puja. Every day you are doing Guru Puja. But Vyasa Puja, both. You understand or not? Who understood? Follow. Both puja is coming. So for this, Guru Puja, Vyasa Puja. Vyasa Puja is called also Guru Puja. Huh? Or puja means give pleasure. How to give pleasure? To serve with your body, mind and speech. That is called Kaya, Mano, Vakya Seva. Kaya means with your body, Kaya. Mon means your mind, or Vachik means with your words. So Kayik, Vachik and Manasik Seva. But Manasik Seva reserved for Uttam Bhagavad. And our Kayik Seva and Vachik Seva and Konishta and Madhyam can do. You understand? Konishta Bhakta and Madhyam Bhakta can service Kayik and Vachik. Our Manasik Seva reserved for Uttam. For this I give the example Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told to Raghunath Das Goswami. Mane mane siddha deha kariya bhavan Ratri dine Radha Krishna karase. That is called Manasik Seva. Understand? Guru Puja, Vyasa Puja. Bolo Vrindavan Vihari Lal. Now 1 o'clock. Jai Jai Sri Ram. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama. Take this Mura. Give it to Mura, he's Brajavasi. He'll sit. Brajavasi, mostly Brajavasi. In Mathura Vrindavan, they are used this Mura. Understand? They are very fat. Brajavasi, they are eating so much milk, yogurt, butter. He is fat. Good or not? So Brajavasi cannot sit on the floor. Or he is sitting maybe. Mostly Brajavasi, they are sitting here. What is called? Mura. You pronunciation, what do you say? Phala. Phala. Toruni Phala, what do you say? Brajavasi sitting in that the seat name is called what? Mura. Follow, Mura. He will tell. Mura. Mura. Phala, Mura. Learn Braja language. Without learning Braja language, you cannot become Brajavasi. You learn some Braj Gali. Gali, understand? Braj words, slang language. Otherwise, Jai Govinda Prabhu. Now he left. So he learned some Braj language. Say he went to the one market and asked to the Brahman, give me this medicine. That time, that person is, or this medicine is not in here, in my medicine, in my medical shop. That time he is saying, understand, Jai Govinda Prabhu is saying, Braj language. Oh, this is very buri, buri baat. Actually, this, he want to say, what is it called? Badi baat, Badi baat nahi. No problem. He is saying, you have no problem. But he is saying, oh, this is, say, he use this word, Budi baat. Budi baat, Braj language is what? Opposite meaning coming. When you are saying, very slang language. Then that person become very angry, type, wait, should be nonsense. Then he asked to that person who knows the Hindi, I told, this is good. So, Braj action, if not perfect, then another meaning will come. that time Brajavasi will become angry. Huh? Understand? Here he is saying, what is this guy? Oi mouse. What is he saying? Oi moso. Moso, mosa. Mouse. And if you go to Bengal, mouse means buffalo. Mouse. Mice. Hey, mouse. They become very angry or not? Yes. Even you said the oi, that is very slang language. One devotee asked them what is color. Oi! Become very, hey! Where you come from? Has to be nonsense. Even this scholar become very angry. They cannot tolerate. Here be sweet word. If you say, oi! You are happy or not? Yes. But if you tell to the Indian people, oi, that is called his word. Insulting words. Insulting words. They become very angry. And your Portuguese language is sweet. Oi. Fala oi. Oi. Oi, mouse. No, mouse. Oi, mouse. Oi, moça. Oi, moça. Or if you go to India, say this, they become bitter to beat you. Why did you tell me buffalo? Hello, Vrindavan Bihari Lal. Braj language, if you not proper pronunciation, then big problem will come. Another meaning will come. Understand? Bolo Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki jai. Jai Jai Shri Ram. Vyasa Puja ki jai. Just use this word meaning about Vyasa Puja. Remember, what is the meaning of Vyasa, what is the meaning of Puja? 1 hour. More than 1.5 hours I told. Just one word, what is called? Vyasa or Puja. Bolo Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki jai jai Shri Ram. Okay, they went to the Arati. Okay. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.